Budget line we have covered. Today we will start with budget set. So let us move towards budget line first. That budget line is the combination of two goods which can be purchased with the given income and prices of the commodity, and it must be equal to the income. मतलब अगर 500 रुपये का इनकम है तो अगर दो प्रोडक्ट्स हम खरीद रहे हैं, जितने भी कॉम्बिनेशन हम करेंगे वो दैट मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 500. It cannot be 499 and even 501. It must be equal to the income. But let us move towards budget set. Then what is budget set? Budget तो हमने कह दिया कि it is the purchasing power of an individual. Now what is budget set? Budget set is all the combinations of two different goods. It is all the combinations of two different goods which can be purchased with the given income of the consumer and prices of the commodity. That means it may be equal to the income of the consumer or it may be less than the income of the consumer. मतलब जो budget set में क्या कह रहा है? All combinations. It may be 450, it may be 400, it may be 200, it may be 499, the all or it may be 500. जो सारे combinations budget line में आ रहे हैं और जो सारे combinations budget line के नीचे हैं, all the combinations will be combinedly known as budget set. That means अगर हम budget line हमने ड्रॉ किया था, अलग अलग पॉइंट्स उसमें हमने दिए थे, PQRS की मैंने पॉइंट लिया है, उसको जोड़ के we have prepared budget line. Here the budget line, it is having the points PQRST. Okay, so this point V, I have taken another point which is known as V. It is below the budget line, but that is also attainable by the consumer. That is also affordable by the consumer. So ऐसे V type के और भी X, Y, Z points हो सकते हैं inside this budget line. Then that will be known as budget set. All the combinations of budget set or the combinations below the budget, all the combinations of budget line and all the combinations below the budget line will be regarded as budget set. So budget set में कौन से combinations आएंगे? Equal to the income and less than the income. Equal to the income and less than the income. हमने कौन सा एग्जाम्पल लिया था बजट लाइन में? 24 रुपीज इनकम है, एप्पल का प्राइस 4 रुपीज है और बनाना का प्राइस 2 रुपीज है. सपोज कंज्यूमर इज परचेजिंग 1 एप्पल एंड 1 बनाना. कितना उसने स्पेंड किया? 4 रुपीज फॉर एप्पल एंड 2 रुपीज फॉर बनाना. 6 रुपीज उसने स्पेंड किया. उसके पास बचा कितना? 18 रुपीज सी इज लेफ्ट आउट विथ. ओके, सो 18 रुपीज सी इज लेफ्ट आउट विथ एंड 6 rupees he has spent. But if that is a combination, suppose that is combination F, that F combination is affordable by him, so it will be coming under budget set. If he is purchasing 5 apples will be 20 rupees and 2 bananas. 5 apples and 2 bananas. 5 apples 20 rupees, 2 bananas 4 rupees, 24 rupees. This will come on budget line and also on budget set. So budget set will take budget line in it. तो बजट लाइन को हम कह सकते हैं बजट सेट का एक सबसेट है. आपने पढ़ा होगा सबसेट वगैरह, सबसेट सुपर सेट. तो बजट लाइन को हम कह सकते हैं वो बजट सेट का एक सबसेट है. तो उसमें हम क्या कहेंगे? बजट लाइन में वो सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस आएंगे जो आपके बजट में आते हैं. इट मे बी इक्वल टू द इनकम और इट मे बी लेस देन द इनकम, बट इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन द इनकम. इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन द इनकम. हियर the schedule of indifference curve, if you remember, R, S, T हमारे 3 combinations, 3 apples, 6 bananas, 4 apples, 3 bananas, 5 apples, 1 banana. इसका हमने प्राइसिंग बजटिंग किया था, कितना हुआ था? 24 rupees, 22 rupees and 22 rupees. So all these will come under budget set. All these will come under budget set. But these first two, one P and Q, one is 28 rupees and another one is 34 rupees. One is 28 rupees and another one is 34 rupees. These are not attainable by us. Neither it will come on budget line nor on budget set. So these points are known as unattainable points. Unattainable point. Here you see there is a point called U. अब U में जो combinations आएंगे बनाना और एप्पल के, is it attainable by us? No, it is beyond our budget, so it is not attainable by us. So I hope you have followed what is budget set and what is budget line. Underspent point, like these are underspent points. मतलब जितना हमारा पैसा है उतना हमने खर्चा नहीं किया. That is known as underspent point. and another one is unattainable point. These are beyond, which is beyond our reach, which are not affordable by us, that is known as unattainable points, which are beyond our budget. Thank you very much.